Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the power of guided meditation in transforming our lives. Today, we'll be focusing on a topic that can have a profound impact on our well-being: giving up smoking. Specifically, we'll discuss the benefits of using guided meditation, especially in those crucial early days. As you embark on your journey to quit smoking, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. The early days can be particularly difficult as your body and mind adjust to a life without cigarettes. That's where guided meditation can become your trusted companion. Guided meditation allows you to tap into the power of your mind and create a space of calmness and clarity. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, providing a supportive framework as you navigate the process of quitting smoking. One of the primary benefits of using guided meditation during this period is stress reduction. Smoking often becomes a crutch for managing stress, and without it, you might experience heightened anxiety or restlessness. Guided meditation helps you cultivate a sense of inner peace and relaxation, relieving the tension that may arise during withdrawal. Another advantage of guided meditation is its ability to increase your self-awareness. As you engage in guided visualizations, breathing exercises, or body scans, you develop a stronger connection with your body and mind. This heightened awareness can provide valuable insights into your smoking triggers and patterns, empowering you to break free from them. Guided meditation also strengthens your willpower and determination. During the early days of quitting smoking, you may encounter intense cravings or a sense of loss. Through meditation, you can cultivate a resilient mindset and reinforce your commitment to a smoke-free life. It helps you tap into your inner strength and focus on the long-term benefits of quitting. A significant aspect of using guided meditation to give up smoking is its role in managing withdrawal symptoms. As your body detoxifies, you might experience discomfort, irritability, or difficulty concentrating. Meditation offers a safe haven where you can observe these sensations without judgment, allowing them to come and go without becoming overwhelming. Additionally, guided meditation can help rewire the neural pathways in your brain. Smoking becomes deeply ingrained in your subconscious mind, often associated with certain activities or emotions. By engaging in guided imagery and positive affirmations, you can create new associations and beliefs, replacing the urge to smoke with healthier habits. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, guided meditation provides a profound sense of support and encouragement. The journey to quit smoking can sometimes feel lonely, but with meditation, you connect with a community of like-minded individuals who understand your struggles. Online meditation groups or apps offer a sense of belonging, motivation, and accountability to help you stay committed to your smoke-free lifestyle. Now, take a moment to appreciate your commitment to a healthier life and acknowledge the courage it takes to embark on this journey. As you continue to use guided meditation in the early days of giving up smoking, remember that change takes time. Be patient with yourself, and allow the process to unfold naturally. Thank you for joining us on this guided meditation focusing on the benefits of using meditation to give up smoking, especially in the early days. Remember, you have the power to transform your life and embrace a smoke-free future. 10-minute guided meditation on quitting smoking each morning and night if needed will give you the power of mindfulness to achieve your goal. Here is a 10 minutes especially designed guided meditation to help you quit smoking. Give it a try,